Welcome to Dr. Bob's Email Clinic. Short videos on Outlook tips to make your email easier. This is how to use expiry dates with Outlook for Windows on versions running from 2010 to 2019 and maybe beyond. We'll cover 4 things in 3 minutes. 1. What expiry dates are. 2. How to set an expiry date in Outlook. 3. Why you should use them. And we'll finish with a completely unrelated joke. 1. What expiry dates are. Say your message has a shelf life. Perhaps it's about a training course running on the 5th of March. If someone opens it on the 6th of March, it's too late. They've missed the course and that email is probably not relevant to them. You can save the recipients some time by setting an expiry date. If they open it before it expires, it's just like an ordinary email. But if they haven't opened it, by the time it expires, it will be displayed in their inbox grayed out with a line through, like this. The recipient can still open the message, but they can easily see the email is out of date and they can probably ignore it. 2. How to set an expiry date in Outlook. When you're writing the message, look on the Message menu, choose the Options tab. Choose More Options, tick Expires After and set the date. The tracking box takes you to the same place. Like I say, if it's been opened before it expires, it's like an ordinary message. But if the expiry date has passed before the message is opened, it's displayed with a line through. 3. Why you should use them. It's another one of these things that won't benefit you directly, as it only really helps the recipient. However, when you use them, you'll be appreciated, and if everybody uses them, everybody benefits. So when you share this video with your colleagues, the benefits will come back to you. Use expiry dates for emails referring to fixed times, like training courses, the staff picnic, or maybe requests for agenda items for a specific meeting. Also, if your organization has regular updates, like weekly sales figures or production figures, any later update renders earlier ones redundant, then they should all have expiry dates. A moth goes into a chiropodist and says, "I've lost my job, my wife's left me, my children hate me, my life is falling to pieces. I really don't know what I should do." The chiropodist says, "But I'm a chiropodist, why did you come in here?" And the moth says, "Well, the light was on." If there are other topics you'd like, email drbob@expert-messaging.com, and the more people you share this with, the better the emails you'll receive. Thanks for watching.